Okay, a non-rigid transformation. What that's going to be is simply this. Let's look at the graph of this absolute value. I think that's probably the easiest ones to see because it's almost like two linear functions. And let's look at this here. Let's look at how this 3 affects it on the outside, and this 1/3 affects it right here. Notice these are not horizontal or vertical shifts. These are stretches. Well, first off, let's look at the normal graph of f of x. This absolute value of x will look like this here. Notice that's at 2 and that's at 2, 1, 1. It's not quite, it goes up a little faster than it goes out. But now what I want to look at is this here. What do you think multiplying by 3 is going to do? Well, think of it this here. The point 0, 0, if I put 0 in here, I get 0 for an answer. Well, 0 times 3 is still 0. But what happens when I get to 1? When I put a 1 into the problem, I get 1 on the regular one, but yet I multiply that by 3, it's going to shift it up 3 points higher. Oh, looky there, we got the Fantastic Four, a little stretchy guy. All right? Notice that went up 3. It's going to go up 3 times faster. So that's called a vertical stretch, meaning it's going to go up a lot faster. I like to think of it as being narrower. That would not be the political term, or skinny. And then this one over here, this fraction, a vertical stretch occurs when the c value, being this number 3 right here, is greater than 1. When it has a value greater than 1, it's going to get skinnier or stretch. When you have a fraction, now think about it. If the 3 went up faster, what do you think 1/3 is going to do? Because we're going to go slower, we're not going to move up as fast. It's called a vertical shrink, all right, on this one right here. Or I like to sometimes say fat. I'm not real politically correct. And this happens when your c is a fraction less than 1. All right, notice, because then it's not going to go up as fast. Just because it's a fraction doesn't mean it's going slow, because 4/3 would be greater than 1, which would make it a vertical stretch. But 1/3 would be a vertical shrink. All right, that would be kind of an explanation of how these are just going to make it get skinnier, these are going to make it get fatter, or called a vertical stretch or a vertical shrink. All right.